FXBros.
Yes, sir. Check. Yeah, we here. Live Wednesday morning, 7:15. Getting prepared for news to be released. We got big news day today at 7:30. Finally go see what the Fed gonna do and by how much. We have. So the thing about it, interest rates is coming out today, but it's not coming out till 1. But we do have building permits coming out at 7:30. So still in sales on AU. Wait till this candle close. If it's to close bullish, and then the next 5-minute close. Three 6338, 6328. We got 9 more minutes left. like how we swept pre-London. This green box is pre-London, so this high just got swept here with this wick. And even I wanted to catch all the way up here, but 24, 22, so it's just too quick. So if we catch a bearish engulfing, that may be enough to me to add sales, but I know news is about to come in like 5 minutes, well, 8 minutes. So I guess we can be patient enough at least to wait for this candle to close and ultimately wait for news to release to come out and see what we get. But I know ultimately we're waiting for 1 o'clock is interest rate decision. Let's see what this last 5 minutes about to do. Let's also take a look at the dollar. The dollar also swept pre-London. So overall, if we want sales for AU, we want this dollar to keep pushing high. It's looking like that could continue, even though we are getting rejections in this area. Sell off, rejection. So it'll be nice to get as far as the 4 hour, to get it to close above 107.10. I might be pushing above at least 107.05 on a 4 hour close. That'll be good. 3 more minutes left. Release. It's kind of hard to tell. We're not getting no solid closes to the bearish side. We're getting some rejection wick, so could be popping up for this news release. We already got a bullish engulfing on the 1 hour. Look like we could be setting up one for the 4 hour. So we're gonna have to wait and see what this does. What's popping, brother? 45 seconds.
What's happening with your brother?
I already know. Trying to make it happen. See what this news about to come out in 5 seconds. Yep, I was expecting a bullish push. How that EJ trade worked out for you?
Yeah, my bad, bro. Kicked me out. Well, I was in, but the sound wasn't working. But yeah, I got stopped out.
That's okay. It's still pushing higher though.
I mean, not pushing, but yeah, it's still on that upward trajectory.
EJ. Yeah.
Like it's Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that whole trying to do. I like how it's rejecting the 50% area of that body candle on the daily.
Yes, it
I
is.
might.
That is a sign of maybe you could get back in that trade. But I was kind of under the assumption that we was gonna get that interest rate decision news in the morning, but that's not gonna hit until 1 o'clock. So it's still a chance that this trade could do some funny shit, especially on EJ. But that's all depending on if this pair has any kind of effect from the news release.
Facts.
So it's I mean EU probably will have a little bit more movement than EJ, but because of EU, that will probably add more volume or volatility to EJ, but it'll probably show a little bit more bet on EU and all that type shit. But I'm pretty sure mostly all markets is gonna have some kind of reaction to news at 1 o'clock. I mean, it's an interest rate decision, so that's big for the U.S. economy. So
Yeah, that is a fact.
I know we've been waiting to see what the hell them boys gonna do for the end of the year.
Yeah, that bitch go flex, boy.
Man, what you think about this AU bullish engulfing on the 4 hour that look like it could potentially set up?
I don't like it.
What the daily look like?
You want to know why I don't like it?
Why?
There is no sweeping of the bottom.
Like that the previous 4 hour,
Yes.
like no wick, it just went straight up.
Like what you said before, is there's a baby wick, but yeah, it didn't sweep the bottom at all. So, oh,
And
and another thing, if that motherfucker don't close above that wick too, then it's like, nah, I, I see that being not really a fake out, but just a retest move. Yeah, I don't like that. Like um I wouldn't take no damn buys. Now, yeah. I mean, I would, and if I would take buys, then my stop loss is gonna be below that bottom, like right there. But shit, with that fucking news coming out, that could be a start to something. But yeah, I don't want to play. That's going against the larger time frame still.
and then you got, if it do goes up, I mean, chances are it might go as at max high like 63.50, 63.60 before getting in all that congestion.
Yeah,
So measuring that from where it's at right now, that's about a good somewhere in the 30 to 40 pip range. So you could probably get a good 20. So it ain't, when you break it down like that, you realize you're not really missing out if you do miss it. You feel me? Like say you don't take this buy,
oh,
news come
not
out
at
this morning,
all.
and the market push up.
Hell yeah, no, not at all.
Yeah, you're not missing a lot for AU especially.
It's like one of them things that boy, what Piff said. You like being late is better on some shit. But it's just like waiting for that first move to happen and then a retest and then getting back in.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this will kind of be getting in early. Um, and yeah, I just don't like how it just went from that close and just shot on up.
Mm-hmm. But when it does shit like that, that let me know it's coming up here to set up for something. And knowing that we got news at 1 o'clock, I know that's what it's doing.
I agree.
Especially how you said it didn't sweep the low, it just shot right up. So it's like Yeah, nigga, it's coming up here for something. You might not know just what just yet, but depending on how this 4-hour close gonna tell a lot. So we might just be pulling back to retest this old previous weekly low from last week, which is at 63.36. And we are about roughly 10 pips away from there. So could just be inching its way up there. Probably just gonna play with that price until 1 o'clock, and then we'll see more. I'm gonna tell you this though. If this 4-hour close just like how it is right now, like above the previous wick, I'm gonna get out of sales and I'm gonna wait for that news to probably see if I could catch a little fade opportunity. Like if it pushed too high, then I might fade that bitch and hop into sales and try to catch that fake out. It's too soon.
Yeah, that motherfucker playing with me. I'm literally like a pip or two away from being stopped out on that sale.
Oh, you got your stops at what, 63.30? 63.20 something?
Yeah, 63.26 to be exact. And it's like right there.
Oh yeah. You definitely about to get stopped out. Shit, the spread can stop you out.
That's a fact. The spread keeping me in. Fuck. Yeah, let's see. 0.3, 0.5. Come on, man. Just get me out of there.
Right. Oh boy.
Mm-hmm. I feel the same way. I ain't gonna be doing shit but sleeping. Psych. Oh, damn kids gonna have me going.
What you talking about?
Well, little holiday break, man.
Oh yeah. It was too much of a break, just a break from the norm, if anything.
I was just about to say that. Yeah, ain't no break. Yeah, I'm out of there.
Out of there.
I got out of there. Let's see. Shit, if the if the 4 hour do what the 1 hour just did, then yeah, it could be something. But yeah, I'm waiting. That was a nice situation. That trade.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Quick glance at everything else. S&P pushing up a little bit. US 30 still figuring out things, but they've been selling all. That look like a damn Hakanashi down there. NASDAQ about to make new highs. Gold is in a funk spot. UJ still pushing up. That's good. DJ as well. DJ had a bearish engulfing on the daily. Still pushing up. Bitcoin is at 104. Could be another sell-off back to 100. This will be the first 4-day retest. If we do get a retest back to 100 on Bitcoin. Turbo just selling.
We're selling.
Turbo. I got out of that coin.
I'm still in it because I got in so early, but yeah, I'm keeping a close eye on it.
Yeah. That bitch should be I would say a good area to accumulate more for Turbo if it does reject it and pushes bullish from that point is about 0.006 up in that area. You could catch a price, a buy in that, that'll be a good buy. Currently we're at 0.009. Got some dropping it could do. XRP looking like it could have another bullish day. That daily wick that it left the previous day, so that could be good for that. Fucking Tesla, bro. Good grief. Fuck around, hit 500. Dollar. Let's see what the news was anyway for permits. Building permits is up 1.05. I mean 1.5 up from 1.41. So I guess that's a bullish signal for the economy and the dollar. Meaning that we are submitting more permits for building, which is seen as a positive. That's a good thing. We got roughly about 15 minutes left on this AU situation. Looks like we're starting to come back a little bit. Let's see what the portfolio looking like. Shit. Down 5% on the portfolio. Something gotta be up. I'll be down. And we are all down. Damn, Litecoin trending. I haven't seen that name up there in a long time.
I'm about to say it's been a minute since I heard about that light.
Yeah, I wonder what's going on with lights. It's trending. I better get some of that USD Solana meme coin. That bitch up 9,999%. That bitch can't even say 10,000. Ain't even got enough digits on the screen. Litecoin ETF approval prospects rise as Canary Capital leads efforts amid fewer legal hurdles. So maybe that is the news for Litecoin, especially with a 147% increase in volume, sitting at 2.3. That's crazy. You got a volume increase of 146% at 2.3 billion. That's fucking crazy. That's like extremely crazy.
You ain't hear no news about that shit.
Nope. Ain't nobody talking about that shit. Litecoin was the big dog. That was shit. Litecoin was at one point, I want to say it was more than a Bitcoin. Like it was more believable. Litecoin had more belief than Bitcoin. Yeah, that's weird to see. It's weird. Probably Litecoin. So they're saying ETH combo ETFs. First out, it says senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg. We expect a wave of cryptocurrency ETFs next year. Oh my God. Boy, crypto about to go crazy. First, they said it's a Bitcoin and Ethereum combo ETF, then probably Litecoin because it's a commodity. Then Hedra with 11 billion market cap. Hedra says got the potential to have to be next in line. XRP. That's good though. That's bullish. It's bullish for the markets. We need that. Hmm. Litecoin, cryptocurrencies that are designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost payments by leveraging the blockchain. Who are the founders of Litecoin? It's founded by Charlie Lee, an early cryptocurrency adopter, and the name held in high regard in the cryptocurrency industry. Former software engineer for Google, director of engineering at Coinbase between 2015 and 2017. Okay. Yeah, Litecoin. So I think that's the thing we need to. That's the keyword. The big keyword for next year is ETF. That's what we need to be looking at. That's the big keyword you need to be looking at for Twitter, Bloomberg, all these different news outlets. You need to be looking at ETF. EU lawmaker calls for Bitcoin reserve, rejects CBDC. Yeah, boy, this shit about to go crazy, boy. They start talking about the reserve. That's what Pip was talking about. Trump gonna set up the reserve. Now you got EU talking about reserves. That's about to be crazy, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be a whole world global influx.
Bro, and yeah, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go crazy. Has transferred nearly 1,600 Bitcoin, worth about 172 million, to an untagged wallet as Bitcoin nears 107. Who is Mount Gox? Trending topics. What the hell is me? Search Google. Was it Bitcoin exchange based in? Oh, okay, I forgot. How to say based in Tokyo, Japan, launched in 2010. It was handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions worldwide. Early, whatever. Magic, the gathering online exchange. Oh yeah, they went out of business. I think they got, yeah. That's crazy. They still moving coins around. This MT Gox shit said it just transferred 172 million. Coin market cap. Mean alpha. Pengu said Binance is doing an airdrop. About to be listed in an hour. That was yesterday. It should be hella rug bullish at the beginning with these damn coins. Especially these meme coins, man. Pengu. Find this shit. Pengu. Damn, up 500%. Damn, bitch. Whew. Bitch got a fucking $2 billion market cap. 500% increase.
I got back into sales, bro, just to see what it do.
All right.
Did you take those buys? You like the way that closed?
No. Let me see what the 4 hour did. 4 hour. Yeah, I'm about to get out. I'm gonna wait. I don't like that 4 hour. Especially if it go above the previous 4 hour wick, which I mean, let's be honest, it's not far from that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on it. Piece of me kind of want to hop in the buys, but like I said, you're probably not gonna get much from it. It was better to get on that 1 hour buy down there, 63.14. At least you could catch 20. This 1 hour, for some strange reason, if we close bearish engulfing on this 1 hour, that could be a nice little setup for something. What made you get into sales? You just like the overall sell move?
Yeah, so I just like the price action overall, and then I got a little bit of rejection on the 1 hour, and we didn't close real bullish above that 4 hours. So I was like, you know what, that could be a some sort of test, and we should be able to like pass easily through that clean traffic on the 4 hour and just like kind of feel that. That's what I'm hoping for. Just going with the longer trend. I just saw that wasn't like an actual engulfing on some shit that I like to trade. Those tend to get me faked out, so I'm a I'm a fade the fake out.
Yeah, it's not even in. There's nowhere near in the setup for a bullish engulfing on a daily. It still need to sell more to set up that. Ugh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let the 1 hour time frame get me back in the sales. See if we get a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour when it close. Especially with New York Stock Exchange. Won't be opening around that time. A little bit before. Yup, yup. This is my 1 hour bearish engulfing line. Okay, that's why Solana is popping. It's like pumping. The French lawmaker who has been a member of the European Parliament since June recently delivered a passionate speech. She called on lawmakers to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve while rejecting the proposed central bank digital currency. So that CBDC possibly might not be the thing, because I know here in America they was talking about the same shit, and now with Trump talking about that reserve shit, I'm thinking everybody probably gonna take that up, and that's just gonna um, you know, Jerome Powell said it was digital gold. That's what's up. Man, I talked to this lady, a flight attendant, and she was telling me how she go to London a lot, or the UK. And she was like, they are popping out there as far as like uh tourism and just overall travel. She was like, that shit's stupid busy. I wasn't even aware of that. Might have to be a destination. That's a bad 15. Got you. Ooh. Valentine.
Hello, Moto.
What you trying to do? Mm-mm-mm-mm. 15. An hour. Oh yeah, where we at? That's too crazy. Still rejecting that 63.20. So yeah, we got time, man. Ain't no rush. Ain't no rush. We about to come into stock exchange, pre-trading. It's about to be on in 15 minutes. Let's see. USD, UJ is still good. GJ is still good. We up on both of them. I had into another position on UJ. Let's see. See where I had them hoes So UJ 151.9 and 153.7. 153.7. So right there, I added some more buys currently. With this little drawdown, we down like 3 pips. But the other one is up like 180. And that was from 151. That's way down here. So 151 now. And I got all this. So as long as we stay above this structure, we good on UJ. Good on UJ. And pretty much the same thing on GJ2. I can draw this out right here. The market is pretty much holding this area. So those like the levels we want to not break to the downside, and these buys still be in play. Ripple USD. Market cap is 0. 53 million total supply. Max supply infinity. Fully diluted value equals the price times max supply. I got you. If max supply is null, total supply are infinite and not available. Fully diluted market cap shows. Got you. So yeah, not a lot of volume on this. Live on the XRP ledger. Shiba Inu. Sue. Gotta be down 5%. Come on, Sue. Shit.
Learn about crypto and get rewarded.
I think this bitch is range into the NYSE come out in like 5 minutes. Might get a little more volume, see if we can break out of this little range. Oh! Oh, 1 second. Damn. Oh, I'm tripping. It looked weird on the one. Man. What's up? What's up? God damn. How many times you get on it? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Last 15 seconds. See what the stock's doing. Tesla, little gap down. Or not little gap down. Actually, $13 drop. So Tesla's down. TSM pushed up for almost a percent gain. Uber pushed up, growing on 2%. Nvidia's up 3%. And I wish it would came out this newsletter earlier, bro. I'm trying to wait till 1 o'clock. rather than take sales based off of that sell-off, because I had a confirmation of that candle closing below here. Now, granted, this is a 5 minute, so I'm not really looking at setups on here, but I am seeing potential areas where I possibly could grab an entry depending on how far it gets away from this consolidation and in what direction. I want to fade buys more than sells. So to get bullish pushes, I want to sell. 5 seconds left. Yeah.
What you looking at the 5 minute?
Yeah, I'm just trying to see how it's messed, because this is the 1 hour engulfing this line right here.
Okay.
So I'm just kind of seeing how the wicks reject on each candle, seeing how it's rejecting this level right here. It's not trying. I want to see how it's gonna close below this.
No, I got you. Now, when you said we got 5 minutes left, I'm like, oh shit, I'm fucking late as fuck for work.
Oh,
Uh,
what time you supposed to be there?
I'll be in there for like 9,
Oh,
9:15 by the time I get in there, bitch. Gotta drive, go up that damn parking lot. It take like 5 minutes just to get in that damn parking spot.
but
But no, that's what's up. Yeah, I'm about to dip out in a little bit, bro.
that's a bit. Yeah, we gonna probably gonna wrap it up at 9 after this hour close. I want to see if we're gonna get this bearish engulfing, and I'm just gonna ride it out like that until
Okay,
1 o'clock comes.
that'll work. What you gonna get back on a 1 o'clock line?
Nah. But I'll probably put it in the chat, just saying
Yeah,
what just kind of put it on notice type shit.
for sure, for sure.
Yeah. But yeah, man, have a good one at work you did. But like I said, yeah, we'll touch bases around 1. See what it do.
All right, that'll work.
Peace.
Peace out, man. I'll tap in on the teller.
Yeah.
All right.
Fish do not want to go below that line, boy. great. It is not over yet. Damn, 5 minutes? I'll give this 20 more minutes. See where it closes at. That's going to determine if we're going to get into sales or not. Basically, we're looking to see if we're going to reject this and give us a bearish engulfing on this 1 hour. Mm-hmm. Get the bet. 96 a day. $58. Mm-hmm. Nigga could get that bet. You know what I mean? $20.23. Take that bitch down to the Marty. The Mardi Gras. You know what I mean? 1,500 miles. Probably could twerk that. Damn. Tripping. Damn shit. Better be no 12, man. GLE, GLC, CLA, 5 Series, Macon. You probably could twerk that. 1,200 miles. The total will be 1,000. 860. Would be a possibility. How many waiting on, bruh? Break out of this consolidation. The last thing I need is to make me feel like I shouldn't have got out of that trade, but it's all good. I was expecting it to go up, which it did, but it didn't hit my mental stop loss. Just for protection, though, I got out, but still, I don't like that. I was expecting it to shoot a little higher, way more faster than it's currently going. Two platinum chains.
Hello,
Tesla Model X. With the doors open like wings. Ugh. 10 more minutes left, and this hour gonna close the terminal. Looking like we are still pushing a little higher. Unsure. I mean, this is consolidation. At worst, I'm gonna say we're gonna pull back all the way up here, like teetering, and possibly at worst reject up here, maybe about 1 o'clock, and sell out for interest rate decision. It's the only thing I can see right now. It's definitely not in the best position to hop into a trade, in my opinion. I need it engulfing. And it's not looking like on the 1 hour we're going to get that, especially with this last 8 minutes we got. Mm-hmm. 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 Reaching, boy. Tripping. Damn $2,000 to drive. Starting to be like that old faithful. Don't go against the 4 hour. As you can see, the 4 hour did give us a bullish engulfing, and currently, if you caught that, you are only up 4 pips, so it's not nothing crazy, but still, it's unsure to know how we're gonna go. I mean, it would have been more of a clarity as far as the bullish push if we would have closed down here with a wick to fill. But the fact that we closed all the way up here, it's unsure exactly how high it's reaching. We do know we have one more 5-minute candle left, and that'll be the close of pre-New York, which is this dotted box. And that will give us that range. And potentially we may pop out one more at 9:05, and that may get us in sales. keep a close eye on it. See what's on. See what's on. The UK tourists went crazy. This most likely probably gonna be the last live of the year. Kick back, enjoy the holidays, and come back after New Year's. Specifically, let me pull up the calendar if I can. See. See what we got. The calendar. Pull it up. Probably going to be. We'll probably do the first Sunday live on January 5th, and then we go pop it back off. So yeah, January 5th will be the first one. And we go pop back off on the Sunday lives, and start back up during the week that Tuesday. How many niggas we gonna ride? How many niggas go ride? How many niggas go ride? How many niggas go ride? Inside the lie. Just to make sure. Calculate at 10. 20 seconds left. What you about to do? Well, we know you're not going to go. To 12. Wait, one more candle. Take one more quick glance over at other markets. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see where we at. Daily is undecided right now the 4 hour for the dollar is undecided. See, Euro didn't do much. I think that news was around here. So yeah, I didn't do much on the news. So CPI on Euro at 4 a.m. S&P still figuring it out, kind of in the range. US 30, possibly. Could be pushing higher. NASDAQ rejecting wicks at these lows. I would think that NAS probably got more potential to push higher. You still figuring it out. We got 3 more hours left on that 4 hour candle, so that's nowhere near close. Gold still in sales. Didn't reject this trend line of pushback bullish because it wasn't the best trend line to begin with, to be honest. It might be best to move that bitch over here. Euro consolidating. UJ slight pullback, but still bullish. Same for GJ. AJ like to have a little push. EJ is still figuring it out. Bitcoin is still selling off from them highs at 108. Like I said, this if you look at the daily, this is the first extension we have past creating a new high and past 100. So this could be our first real true pullback to that price if we sell off. Probably a lot more liquidity if people trying to accumulate. Nothing on Ethereum. Turbo still selling off. XRP kind of pulling back. But like it's still to be bullish. Everything is red for crypto. Nvidia is up 3%. Just off the push from news. Uber is up 2. TSM 1.7 and Tesla's down 1.6. But still a great buy. AUD. We could be setting up for the 1 hour bearish engulfing for the 1 hour. That still wouldn't give us a one for the 4 hour. So it's kind of looking weird right now. All right. So we are about to wrap this up. But like I said, it's going to be the last live of the year. We're going to come back with the same integrity, you feel me? Roll to 25K, 2025 next year. Like I said, that 25K is going to allow us to, one, relinquish ourselves from putting so much hours into the job and start to have a clearer outlook on, you know, that potential early retirement. So just continuing to grow from there. But like I said, that's the first stage, roll to 25K. So crazy deposits. Primarily going to be looking at the 4 hour and the daily all 2025. Like just pretty much going to be done with anything shorter than that. So it's just going to be a longer term waiting game for setups, but it's all good. And yeah, everything is working out perfect, man. These gains is coming in just as they should. It's not as slow as you think, but it's definitely not gonna be fast. You know, gotta put in some years, but it'll all pay out. God damn, that bitch. Hey. That bitch, man. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour. Wait for the 1 hour to close. Because I know this is areas for rejection. So I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour to close and we'll get in there. And see what the news does. At 1 o'clock. All right, man. Peace out. Happy holidays. We'll be back 2025, man.